Hi, I'm Mary Beth Temple, and I am a content creator, although I joke I've been a content creator for 15 years, but they used to call us authors. And I'm always sort of looking for the next income stream to add to my business to give me another pillar, another little bit of income coming in. And one of the things that I'm super impressed with right now is YouTube shopping. Now, if you are making videos and putting them on YouTube and you are not looking into the shopping program, in my opinion, you are missing the boat, because this is a program that seems to be improving every single week. It's super easy to learn how to do, and it's pretty easy to qualify for. You can put shoppable links on your shorts, your live streams, or your long form. So no matter what kind of a creator you tend to be, you can make YouTube shopping work for you. Now, what does that look like? Say, well, for me, for example, I'm in the craft space. If I'm knitting a sweater and I'm using yarn that can come from an affiliated vendor, then instead of having 16 people ask me where the yarn came from or what kind of yarn it is and all that other kind of stuff, and I have to send them either off to my blog or off to, put an affiliate link in the description box. This way, as I'm talking, as I'm teaching, as my video is happening, shoppable links can pop up on my video that will help the consumer find the products that I'm using while I'm using them. The best thing for creators is if someone makes a purchase using one of those links, you can be compensated. Now, if you're doing affiliate marketing in other venues, which I was, and I'm going to be honest, I stink at it. What I found for me, because I was not pushing affiliate marketing a whole lot, I found that because so many brands have different programs and all of those programs have different payouts, I personally think I probably have a couple of $100 out there in the world, but it's in 10 different programs, all of which have a $50 payout. So none of that money makes its way into my pocket, or it won't, unless I have to do a whole lot of extra work to promote that particular brand or that particular product. So one of my favorite things about YouTube shopping is I don't have to apply to 400 different places to become an affiliate for them. Once I am a YouTube shopping affiliate, I can go through the list of brands that are part of that program, and I can choose to promote products that are in the program without having to apply for another program. I don't want to apply for any more programs. I'm done. The other thing I like is when the money becomes available, and there are rules and regulations, I'm just doing a big overview here. When that money becomes available to me that I've earned from my commissions, it comes to me in the same way that my ad revenue comes to me. It just gets dumped into the check. So if I had a terrible month and I made $2 on YouTube shopping, and it has happened when I was getting started, I don't have to wait for that $2 to grow up into $100. That $2, as soon as it's cleared and available for me, is going to come with me with my AdSense revenue. Now, I am not a Google employee. I do not speak on behalf of them, but there's a lot of education that is available out there on YouTube shopping, and I'm taking all of it because I personally think this is going to be a huge part of my brand in the years to come. Now, I'm going to read from my notebook, which I know is tedious, but there are some qualifications now to become eligible for YouTube shopping that are a little lower than they have been in the past, and I wanted to share that with you because I don't think a lot of people are aware. Currently, if you have 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days, and if you're a long-form creator, 3,000 valid public watch hours in a year, or if you're a shorts creator, 3 million valid public shorts views in 90 days. Hi guys, Mary Beth Temple here, and I want to talk to my YouTube creators. Did you know about the YouTube shopping program? Because I didn't 6 months ago, but now I feel like it's going to be a really valuable part of my business. If you're eligible, all you need to do to find out is go into YouTube Studio, click on Earn, on, I believe it's the left-hand side, and then click on Shopping. If you are qualified for YouTube shopping, then a little button will pop up that says Get Started. click on Get Started, read the terms and conditions to make sure you know what you're signing. And once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, you can jump right in. You can use YouTube Shopping to put shoppable links on each of your videos. And when a consumer or a fan sees a product that you're either reviewing, recommending, maybe you're wearing it, maybe you're sitting on it, maybe you're just making a craft with it like I am, the viewer can then click on that shoppable link and make a purchase. And if they make that purchase, then you get commission. So there's lots more to learn about this topic, but I'm here to tell you, if YouTube Shopping is not part of your brand strategy in 2025 and you're eligible, I think you're missing the boat, and I think you should really look into it.